What's going on, guys? Back with another video, another day. We have Karen won't let anybody sit next to her on the train. Let's get straight into the video, guys. Make sure to like and comment, subscribe if you're feeling it. For me, comment down below your thoughts, some ideas.
Did you just came out of the cave? Is this the first time? Is this the first time?
Hold on, let me see the title again. Karen won't let anybody sit next. Before we even get into this and I start talking shit about you, Karen, I wouldn't even share that seat with nobody. That's a one-person seat, honestly. And I'm from New York, and we have seats like that, like all the way in the corner. And everybody knows seats like that, you ain't sharing that. That's a one-person or you and your kid's seat. That's for you and your backpack, you and your purse. Like, for real, for real. I don't care what nobody says.
On the train that I have paid for today.
I have paid for as well. Please stay away from me. Please respect. I am technically wrong.
Please respect.
Did you actually block my space?
You did sometimes.
Yo, sometimes, bro, you want the seat? Have it. Have it. I wish you the best with that seat. I hope that seat makes you into damn near Jeff Bezos. Have it. I'm gone. I got time to sit there and argue with you on no damn seat. Like, that's just women shit for you. It's just whatever, man. Stand up or go find another seat. Like, don't even argue and give her the time of day. It's clear as day. She has some type of problem. Like, it's not that serious. She wants to fight. Part 2.
Are you harassing me?
Somebody caught this on TikTok.
Are you harassing me?
Are you harassing me?
Don't film me.
Are you harassing me? Don't film me. Are you harassing me? Are you harassing me?
Without my consent. You're filming me without my consent.
You're filming me without my consent. Where they at? They can't be in America. Nah, I can't say they can't be in America. That's mad stupid. There's people of all ethnicities in America, but they're not in New York, I mean.
Without my consent. Now you're filming me without my consent.
Like, what can really happen if you film somebody without their consent? Can you really get in trouble for that?
I'm not apologizing. That's just being polite. Are you filming me without my consent?
Are you filming me without my consent?
No, I'm sorry.
Who's
You have
that?
touched my property, ma'am. I'm sorry to say that. It's a 3 seats. I am.
Oh shit, nah. This is just women shit right here. Women love when shit like this happen so that they can act out. I swear to God, bro. No feminist shit, but y'all love when shit like this happens so y'all can act out. Y'all wait for a moment like this. Bro, like, imagine 2 people sitting there, though. Like, imagine having to sit there, like, whoever's watching it, right? You watching right now. Imagine having to sit and share that seat with me. So I'm like this, and you got right there. That's mad uncomfortable. You gotta be sitting up like this. Can't really text. You can't even really text her because they gonna see in your phone. Nah, I ain't messing with that one.
If you don't want to wear a mask, then you can go out. This isn't acceptable.
She got bullied out her seat.
This isn't acceptable. You just assaulted. You're filming me without my consent. You're not wearing a mask. You're filming me without my consent.
Are you wearing a mask?
You touched my property. And you guys should be socially distancing. When someone is exempt, you shouldn't be sitting right next to them.
Oh my God, this COVID shit got people making up the craziest damn scenarios, bro.
We are having new strains out there, and you guys are not.
I hear it though.
Socially distancing.
Cause I ain't gonna front, bro. When this COVID shit first started, I'll say, like, what year did it start? I'll say like January or February of 2021. I got hit with that COVID, and that's when it was new. So I didn't even really know I got hit with COVID for real. Like, I was dying, nigga. I was in the crib like 2 days later, bro. For real, for real.
Other people's space and me.
That's before it was dumb lit though. But now I got my vaccine and shit though.
This is the reason
I got both doses. I got the Pfizer.
People like you are the reasons we're getting new strains, and we're still in that stage. People like you is the reason there There is no order.
She's not like, feel me? She's not. Yeah, I don't even want to use a word to categorize.
You're nothing but a low-life coward, bitch. A coward. Get it, fat ass. A coward. Yeah, don't say anything, Donna, because look how you smile like a damn live mouse who's in your mouth, you ugly bitch. You're going down for murder, bitch.
What the fuck?
Who walks away from who at Walmart? You damn
Your mental
coward.
health is
Fell in the
killing
dog
right now, for real,
because you're a
bro.
damn
Like,
coward. That's harassment, bitch.
take care of your
Last
mental,
one,
people.
You fell in the dog food, bitch. You're a damn coward. Can't get on my property. You don't even own that shit. You're a damn thief, bitch. You don't own it. No, you don't. No, you don't, bitch. I know what.
The fact that the camera person recorded has yet to say a word, and this woman has been ranting on like that, she is really hurt, bro. That's crazy.
You don't own shit.
You don't know shit.
Confused, bitch. You're going down.
You're going down. Let's see. She called her a fat ass. What is going on here, bro?
You're filming me. They're filming you, bitch. Got that in the picture. Got that, bitch. Everybody's living hell.
Yo, she's like this.
That's what you did to me. You ran my kids off, you dumbass bitch. You ran them off because you're jealous of me. You don't own that damn property.
She said you ran my kids off because you're jealous of me. No, baby. Maybe you ran your kids off because you have problems.
Now you're jealous of me. Look how fat, how ugly, how damn stupid you are. I
Damn.
made you move in here. I'm gonna make you move out, bitch. Oh, Shirley, lay her own water on. Didn't she? Getting fat ass Mulver. Lay her own
Yo,
water
she's
on.
mean,
Yeah, she
bro.
did. Yeah, she did. There's some pictures to prove it in this camera, bitch.
She don't even know she's on the internet looking this through, but her kids probably see her.
I'm gonna run my kids.
Look, she turns around. Ma'am, your kids aren't coming
You're
back.
a damn coward. Take it to the
You're an asshole. Your kids don't want to be around you. You're negative energy, as the new world would say. You're negative energy.
You damn lowlife.
You damn lowlife.
Where's your damn bitch from San Antonio? Why isn't she up here to eat your pussy and you eat her pussy? Or mow the damn field like the damn fat ass hogs you look like.
What is going on? This woman touched on like, I swear to you, this woman just touched on like 20 different topics in the span of 2 minutes, bro. Wow.
Are you recording? Are you recording me? Do you have permission to record me? Do you have permission to record me? Do you have permission to record me? Oh, yeah. Do you have permission to record me?
Well, you don't have permission to smack people.
I don't care. She don't have permission to record me. That's okay. I already have a lawsuit. That's okay. I have a lawsuit.
What is wrong with people, bro?
I spent $35 for something I can't use. That's your salesman sold me. No, it's dead.
I spent $35 for something that I can't use that your salesman sold me. Put the fucking cigarettes down, Karen. Oh my god, bro. Nah, that cash register girl held her